When it comes to choosing the best collaboration tool, Monday.com versus Notion often tops the search results. Both tools are incredibly popular, but which one truly stands out for managing projects, teams, and workflow? Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll have a much clearer idea of which one suits your needs better. We're diving deep into the features, strengths, and weaknesses of both, and I'm going to give you my honest opinion on which one actually takes the crown. First off, let's talk about Monday.com. It's one of the top players in the project management space, designed to streamline tasks and communication. Monday.com's interface is highly customizable, making it ideal for teams of all sizes. You can track tasks, set deadlines, and even visualize your progress with its range of views, from Kanban to Gantt charts. It's perfect for teams that need a lot of structure and have specific processes in place. But here's the catch: while it offers plenty of features, it can feel overwhelming for smaller teams or solo users. The customization options might be a bit much, and it can take time to really get the hang of it. Plus, the pricing can get pretty steep depending on the number of users and features you need. Not exactly a lightweight option. Next, let's shift gears and talk about Notion. Notion is the go-to tool for people who value flexibility and minimalism. It's a blend of a note-taking app and project management tool with databases, wikis, and task management all in one place. You can create anything from a simple to-do list to a fully customized team workflow. Notion really shines when it comes to its customization and flexibility. You can build your workspace from scratch and integrate everything in a way that works for you. However, the downside of Notion is its learning curve. While it's flexible, it's not the most intuitive platform for someone just looking to dive into collaboration tools. You'll need some time to get used to its layout and functionality, especially if you're new to building databases and pages. And while it's great for personal use and smaller teams, it can fall short for larger, more complex organizations where you need stronger task tracking features. Now, let's talk integrations. Monday.com has a solid list of integrations, connecting with tools like Slack, Google Drive, and Zoom. This makes it a strong choice if your team already relies on these platforms and needs everything to sync seamlessly. Notion, on the other hand, is a little limited in this department. While it offers some integrations, it's not as robust as Monday.com's. If your team uses a variety of third-party apps and tools, Monday.com might have the edge here. Next thing to consider is collaboration. Monday.com excels in team collaboration with its color-coded boards, notifications, and comment sections directly on tasks. It's designed to help keep your team in sync, no matter where they are. Notion, while excellent for personal note-taking and smaller teams, doesn't offer the same level of real-time collaboration. If you need something with real-time updates and team-wide notifications, Monday.com is likely the better fit. The fourth thing we need to look at is pricing. Monday.com can get expensive, especially if you're running a large team. It offers tiered pricing depending on your needs, but for full access, you'll likely have to shell out some significant cash. Notion is more affordable, especially for individuals or smaller teams. It offers a free tier with essential features, and its paid plans are reasonably priced, making it a great option if you're just starting out. So, which one should you choose? Both Monday.com and Notion are solid tools, but they cater to different needs. Monday.com is the best option for larger teams or businesses that need a comprehensive solution with powerful tracking and collaboration features. Notion, on the other hand, works best for individuals or smaller teams that prioritize flexibility and customization and don't mind spending time learning the platform. Now, here's the thing: while both these platforms are good, I've tried them myself, and if you're really looking for the best collaboration tool, I would recommend checking out the free trial of the link in the description. This alternative might just be what you've been searching for to help you work smarter, not harder. Through our link, you'll get access to the best free trial with exclusive benefits that are only available to our viewers. So, don't miss out. Check it out in the description and start using the right tool to boost your team's productivity today.